How to see sent follow requests and how to delete sent requests on Instagram. I am going to show you how you can easily see and delete sent follow requests on Instagram. First, you have to open Instagram using the mobile app or website on your mobile phone. Tap on profile picture displayed on the right bottom of the screen. A screen will appear which shows your profile. Tap on the three line symbols shown at the right top of the screen. A list of options will appear. Tap on the first option labeled Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to see the option labeled Your Activity. By scrolling down, you will see at the bottom Download Your Information. A screen will appear and tap on that option to view past requests. It will show you the accounts that you have sent requests. If you want to cancel the request, just simply deselect. Go to Next and select the second option, Some of Your Information. Scroll down, check for the options labeled as Follower and Following and select it. Again, choose the first option, Messages. Now download it to your device. This is how you can check sent follow requests on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.